Hey fellas, let's check what we have here for the good old Dewalt. This one was made almost 4 years ago and now it's completely dead. Okay, let's check what we will find inside. The water damage, the bonnet terminal, the cells out of balance. You can guess, because now we have the time to do that. Okay, so do we have something bonnet here? And yes, of course, we have bonnet this terminal, and what I will do here, I will start my solder, of course, but first of that I want to clean this spot a little bit. Okay, clean it before soldering, and what we need to do now, we need to measure the voltages. So what we have here, we have the 3.97, 3.97, 3.97, 3.97 and 3.969, so 3.97. Okay, so that's good. What I will do here, I will use the 0.2 pure nickel strip here to solder, and I will solder it like that. So I need to cut it here. Don't know where's my scissors. We'll do it like that. Okay. And just heating it up, putting a lot of solder here. And why this happened? Basically, that happened because of the overload. Okay. And of course, if you want, you can put some solder here on this plate. Of course, we have the solder here, so it will easily catch it. Now I don't want to take it with my fingers, so I will just do that like that. Flip it. Maybe it's not hot anymore. Yeah, almost not hot. And holding it like that. I'm just holding it to cool down, and it will help for me to hold the plate in place. And now I'm just spreading the solder all the way to the plate, and now I know that it will burn out if it will be a short circuit. Oh, honestly, if it will be overload, the cells will just die. Okay, now we need to close it. We have all light here, so that's good. Closing it and putting it to the charger. Okay, that's it. Good to go. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Bye.